They won't bite.
No.
Wow. Can you touch them?
Yeah.
Wait, behind the neck like a regular bird? Is that what you...
Yeah, it's okay.
Anywhere?
Hmm?
Oh my God. I had it on my shoulder. Wow.
Huh?
Oh man. Mr. Toucan.
Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's great.
Oh my head. That's kind of cool. You want to come here? Come on. Come on.
Hmm.
That is so neat. So they're light. I thought they'd be heavier.
Are they? Hmm.
You want to hold it?
Mhm.
Hey, buddy. You gonna do okay?
Give me your hand.
Aww.
Wow, they're gentle.
Hmm.
You like them?
He likes you better, huh?
I like you. You don't like that?
Oh, I know. He knows he had food. That's why. Hmm.
Is that how you eat? They have blue eyes. They're gentle.
Hmm.
So don't they make a noise with their beaks? Noise. Put the banana for him. He's neat looking.
Aww.
Wow.
Oh, he's wiping clean his beak on you.
You want to hold?
Mhm. Hi.
You want me to take the video?
Are you hungry?
You're like, what's that? Wow. How neat is that? Aren't they gentle?
Mhm.
That is so sweet. Thank you, Mr. Toucan.
You not hungry no more?
Oh my. Wow. He said, well, I'm hungry.
Who's the meat for?
Falcon.
Falcon?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he just pooped in my hair.
Like, let's see. Let's see if he pooped in your hair.
You wanna feed it in a falcon?
You want to feed the falcon?
Yeah.